Ever found yourself scrolling through endless lists of banks, wondering if you could just skip the branch visit? Maybe you're juggling work, family, or just prefer the comfort of your couch. The question on your mind, and probably mine too, is, can I join Patriot Bank online? That's what we're diving into today. In this digital age, where everything from groceries to doctor's appointments can be managed with a few taps on our screens, it's natural to expect our banking to keep pace. We're going to explore whether Patriot Bank, specifically, offers the convenience of online account opening. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of Patriot Bank, let's take a step back and consider why online banking has become such a game-changer. Think about the traditional process, carving out time in your busy schedule, potentially driving across town, waiting in line, and filling out stacks of paperwork. It's a process that can feel time-consuming and, frankly, a bit outdated. Online banking, on the other hand, promises a streamlined experience. Imagine opening an account in your pajamas, during your lunch break, or even late at night when inspiration strikes. The allure is undeniable: accessibility, convenience, and often, a faster process. But not all banks are created equal when it comes to their online offerings. Some institutions have fully embraced the digital revolution, providing a seamless end-to-end online experience. Others might offer some online services but still require in-person visits for certain transactions, like opening a new account. So, where does Patriot Bank fit into this landscape? To answer our central question, can you join Patriot Bank online? We need to delve into their specific services and website. Let's start by doing a bit of virtual exploration. A quick visit to Patriot Bank's official website is usually the first step in finding out about their online account opening capabilities. We're looking for clear indicators, buttons or sections labeled "Open an account," "Online banking," or similar. Often, banks with robust online services will prominently feature these options on their homepage or within their account services section. As we navigate their website, virtually, of course, we'll be paying close attention to the types of accounts they offer. Do they have checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, or even CDs, certificates of deposit, that can be opened online? The variety of online accessible accounts can be a good indicator of their overall digital banking maturity. Furthermore, the application process itself will be a key indicator. Is it a fully digital form that can be completed and submitted online? Or does it require you to start the process online but then visit a branch to finalize it? Some banks might offer a hybrid approach, allowing you to fill out much of the information online to save time during an in-person visit. We should also look out for any specific instructions or FAQs related to online account opening. Banks often have dedicated pages that outline the steps involved, the documents you might need, like your social security number, driver's license, etc., and any eligibility requirements. Beyond the initial account opening, it's also worth considering the broader online banking experience Patriot Bank offers. If they do allow online account opening, what other digital services do they provide? Can you manage your accounts online, pay bills, transfer funds, and access customer support through their website or a mobile app? A comprehensive suite of online services often goes hand in hand with the ability to open an account remotely. Now, let's consider some potential scenarios we might encounter. Scenario 1: full online account opening available. In this ideal scenario, Patriot Bank's website would clearly state that you can open various types of accounts online. The process would likely involve filling out an online application form, electronically verifying your identity, perhaps through secure document uploads or knowledge-based questions, and potentially funding your new account electronically. This would be the most convenient option for those looking to join Patriot Bank without visiting a branch. Scenario 2: hybrid approach. Another possibility is a hybrid approach. Patriot Bank might allow you to start the account opening process online by filling out an initial application. However, you might then be required to visit a local branch to finalize the process, verify your identity in person, or sign certain documents. While not fully online, this can still save you time by pre-populating some of the necessary information. Scenario 3: online account opening not available. It's also possible that Patriot Bank currently doesn't offer the option to open accounts fully online. In this case, their website would likely direct you to visit a local branch to open an account. This doesn't necessarily mean their online banking services are lacking in other areas, but it does mean that the initial step of becoming a customer requires an in-person visit. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information, the best course of action is always to visit Patriot Bank's official website directly. Look for sections like Personal Banking, Accounts, or Online Services. Within these sections, you should be able to find details about their account opening procedures. If the website isn't entirely clear, another helpful resource can be their Frequently Asked Questions (FAQ) section. Many banks include information about online account opening in their FAQs. You might also look for a Contact Us page, which could provide phone numbers or email addresses to reach out to customer service representatives who can answer your specific questions about online account opening. Furthermore, keep in mind that banking regulations and technologies are constantly evolving. Even if Patriot Bank didn't offer online account opening in the past, they might have introduced it recently, or they might be planning to do so in the near future. Therefore, it's always a good idea to check their website for the most current information. Let's think about some of the benefits of online account opening if Patriot Bank does offer it. The most obvious advantage is convenience. You can apply from anywhere, at any time, without being restricted by branch hours. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with busy schedules or those who don't live near a Patriot Bank branch. Another potential benefit is speed. Online applications can often be processed more quickly than paper-based applications, potentially leading to faster account approval and access to your funds. Moreover, some banks offer incentives or promotions for opening accounts online, which could be an added advantage. On the other hand, if online account opening isn't available, it's worth considering the reasons why. Some banks might prioritize in-person interactions for new customers to build relationships or to ensure a thorough understanding of the account terms and conditions. There might also be regulatory requirements or security considerations that necessitate in-person verification. Even if you can't open an account online, Patriot Bank might still offer a robust suite of online banking services for existing customers, allowing you to manage your finances conveniently once your account is established. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.